Good afternoon, and let's have a look at what the market is doing, which sectors are buzzing, which stocks are buzzing in trade today. So obviously looking at the benchmark indices, both the benchmark indices are trading in the green again today. A mild uptick is only what we're seeing. Sensex is hovering around the 49,900 mark, while the Nifty is at the 14,800 mark, somewhere around that, and trading around those levels. Now looking at the overall, all the other sectors in the Nifty basket, they are all trading in the green. And led by the gains, obviously, that we're seeing good performance of Nifty Auto today, as well as Nifty Media is also the top sectorial gainer in the Nifty space. Other than that, the benchmark indices seem to be outperforming the broader markets, and we're seeing a good upmove coming in this mid and small cap space as well. And moving on to which other actual stocks that are buzzing in trade. Now we have Shipping Corp of India, that's SCI, which has surged as much as 15% in trade today after the government has received a multiple expression of interest for selling 63.75% of the shareholding in the company, is what the DIPAM Secretary said yesterday. And post this, we are seeing a good up move coming in the stock price today. BPCL, another stock that has been in focus, whether you see BPCL, Oil India, Engineers India, all these we have been buzzing in trade. BPCL has climbed as much as 2 to 3% in trade after the company's board has approved the proposal to sell the entire 61.65% shareholding in the Numaligarh Refinery for around 9,876 crore rupees to the consortium of Oil India and Engineers India, along with the Assam state government. And that is why we're seeing that the stock, all these three stocks, have seen a positive up move coming in trade today and are buzzing in trade this afternoon. Now Camlin Fine Sciences is also in focus. The stock has jumped as much as 4.5% in trade after the company has received the permission from the Maharashtra Pollution Control Board to restart work operations at its Tarapur unit, and obviously that is fulfilling certain conditions, but surely a positive sign coming in for Camlin Fine Sciences as well, and a nice up move in the stock of around 5%. Aditya Birla Fashions and Retail Limited stock is up as much as 4% in trade today after Antique has maintained, Antique, which is a stockbroking firm, has maintained a buy call on the stock price with a target price of 220 rupees per share. Now this is after the analyst meet where they said that the company is going to be having a very promising outlook, and obviously execution is going to be the key catalyst and growth driver for Aditya Birla Fashions and Retail, is what the company has said. So that is why a positive up move coming in from the stock for the stock after a positive commentary from the management. Now moving on to IGL, stock up as much as 4.5% in trade after gas price hikes that we've seen, and India's largest distributor of CNG raises the price of CNG as well as PNG, and that is why we're seeing an up move coming in IGL, up 4% in trade. Now we also have Hero MotoCorp, which is up around 1% in trade after the company's February auto sales numbers, and which were up 1.5% on a year-on-year basis. So this was the two-wheeler sales, 1.5% up, and overall the domestic sales are less than 1%, but all in all we're seeing an up move coming in the stock. NMDC also has gained as much as 1 to 1.2% in trade after the February iron ore sales were up by 11.7% on a year-on-year basis, and these are the main stocks which have been buzzing in trade this afternoon.